Introducing Superfood Eggplant. Eggplants, also known as aubergines, belong to the nightshade family of plants and are used in many different dishes around the world. 7 surprising health benefits of eggplants. Rich in many nutrients, calories, carbs, fiber, protein, manganese, folate, potassium, vitamin K, and vitamin C. High in antioxidants. Antioxidants are substances that help protect the body from damage caused by harmful substances known as free radicals. May reduce the risk of heart disease. Because of the antioxidant content, some studies suggest that eggplants may help reduce the risk of heart disease. May promote blood sugar control. This is primarily because eggplants are high in fiber, which slows down the rate of digestion and absorption of sugar in the body. Could help with weight loss. Eggplants are high in fiber and low in calories, making them an excellent addition to any weight loss regimen. May have cancer-fighting benefits. Several studies have found that eating more fruits and vegetables such as eggplant may protect against certain types of cancer. Very easy to add to your diet. It can be baked, roasted, grilled, or sautéed, and enjoyed with drizzle of olive oil and a quick dash of seasoning. Eggplant.